a successful trader? Type it in the chat. I am a successful trader. Okay? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I'm talking to you too. Better type it in the chat. Okay, guys. Tonight, what we are going to do is we are going to like set up our trading view, and we're going to go over all the neat little features, and then y'all get the privilege of watching me try to work two computers. I have done it before. I can do it again. We may just have a little bit of backlash, okay? Let me get my screen shared. Now, and guys, you know, of course, have your notebooks. The first thing that I want y'all to do on your computer is go to www.tradingview.com. Okay, tradingview.com. Yes, yes. Oh, Brian, I just got your, I'm so proud of you. Are you on class? Look at you. You are amazing. Okay, guys, I want you to go to www.tradingview.com. This is a free account, and I want you to set one up, okay? Go ahead and set up your free account with, I think, your username, login. We talked a little bit about this platform last night. You know, this platform is great. It's got all kinds of neat and nifty little tools, which we're about to learn about. You can trade from anywhere, okay, that you have got internet or Wi-Fi connection. You simply just go and you log in, okay? The downside to this is not a lot of brokers connect to this platform, okay? Not a lot of brokers connect to this platform. Not a lot. So I'm giving y'all a minute to get your account set up, okay? Let me know. Drop it in the chat when you're set up and ready to go. It's been years since I did this. It's been, so I don't know exactly how long it takes, but y'all go ahead because we're going to be using this every night, okay? We're going to be using TradingView every night, okay? And this is why I said last night it would probably be best for y'all to come to class, the Zoom on your phone, and bring your computer. So we're going to be getting stuff set up for you, okay? It's better just to go ahead and do it all as a family. Okay, Luann, you're set. Great. What we are going to be using TradingView for is our practice. You're set. You're set. Okay. We're going to be using TradingView for practice. For practice. For marking up charts. For drawing support and resistance. And give it just a couple of more minutes. www.tradingview.com, guys. Go ahead and make your free account. Okay. We're going to be done. Cynthia's done. Okay. Alberta, what about you? Bob, do you have one? Brian, are you ready? We've got Christy. I haven't heard from. Dolores, I haven't heard from. Terrace, I haven't heard from. Jerome, I haven't heard from. LaWanda. Luann's ready. Michael's ready. Steve and Yashira. We're going to www.tradingview.com. and we are making our free account. Okay, you can log into this account from anywhere that you have Wi-Fi or internet. Okay, now the one thing about this, okay, gotcha. Okay, gotcha. The one thing about this, all right, good. Okay, the one thing about TradingView is I am on my iMac right now. I'll be flipping to my laptop in a minute. I don't know how to right click on my iMac. So I fumble a lot when I'm doing it on my Mac. I do all my trading from my laptop, okay? So what you do is you go to your charts, okay? You go to your charts. Now we're just going to, okay? And we're just going to go by this section by section. Guys, up here, okay? And I am recording this in case you have to go back. Up here is going to be the pair you're wanting to look at, okay? Say that you wanted to pull up EUR USD, okay? It has all the different brokers you can pull up and look on, okay? And you can just pick one because we're not really trading, okay? We're not really trading. So let's go with Oanda, okay? So here it's pulled up Euro USD. Now the bad thing about the free version is ads. Just click them out, okay? Just click them out, okay? So here is where you're going to pull up your currency pair that you want to look at, okay? We're looking at Euro USD. Okay. Apple's so fancy. Okay. Okay. Right here, guys, this is your time frames, okay? This box right here. So if you wanted to look at the monthly, you know, you would click on that. It's going to bring up the monthly. If you want to bring up the 4 hour, you're going to click on the 4 hour, okay? If you want to bring up 30 minutes, you know, pretty self-explanatory. This right here is your time frame. Now this right here is going to be all of your candles, okay? For the most part, we do use candlesticks. We do use the candlesticks. You may like bars. I don't like bars. We use candlesticks. Down here, sometimes I'll tell you to pull up a line chart. So you'll come here, and then when you're ready to go back to candlesticks, you come there, okay? Right here, indicators. This is where sometimes, you know, we're going to be putting indicators on. So all you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you'll type the indicator. I tell you, we use the EMA a lot, okay? And you'll drop it on your chart. I'm going to put 2 on there, okay? So we've got 2 moving averages. Now, well, it looks like I put 3 somehow. Okay. When you get ready to change the settings on them, you come up here. Do you see where it dropped it? No, I'm not going to do that. We're going to do this because this is just for practice. Anyway, we're going to put moving average. We're going to put 2 moving averages on here, okay? So when you get ready to change the settings, do you see when you drop a moving average on your chart, it puts it up here, okay? You're going to come right here to the settings button, okay? On your inputs, this is where, you know, you'll put your number. Right here is where you'll put the color, okay? Right here, yeah, we'll just keep it aligned, okay? And then You know, right here would be your second one. Say I told you to put, I don't know, open up your settings. Why is my mouse not working? Okay. So opening up the settings. Okay, there it goes. Well, maybe I'm not giving it enough time. I'm sorry. Okay. And it's just not letting me redo the settings. I don't know why. Because it's a stinking iMac. It's great for webinars, but anything else sucks. So anyway, if I was on my regular computer, simply all I'd have to do is you click on the settings bar and it brings up the settings. Okay. Now, things we're going to use. You can go to full screen mode and then you can exit back out of it. Now, at night, guys, when I ask you to do homework, okay, and I ask you to do homework and send me a picture of it, you can do this, okay? You can take a snapshot of it, okay? And you can either save the image to your computer and upload it to me, or you can copy this and send me the link so I can check your homework, okay? Just simply so I can check your homework. Okay, we're not really going to be using any of this over here, I don't think, okay? We're going to be using a lot of this stuff over here, okay? The first thing that I want you guys to know, this button right here, the pencil with the lock, okay? The pencil with the lock. Just say you're drawing support and resistance lines, you know? If you click this, it's going to keep you in drawing mode so that when you come up here and you're dropping your horizontal line, all you have to do is just simply click your mouse. Okay. And then if you don't have this clicked, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to come up here and pick horizontal line and come over here and drop it. And then you're going to have to come back over here and click horizontal line again, and then come back over here and drop it. And then you're going to have to come. So it's, if you're doing things like that, or if you're following price action, which we're going to get to later, okay, it's easier just to have this little thing clicked and you can stay in drawing mode. And you can just drop lines till, I mean, you're tired of it. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Okay. All right. Right here is if you want to drop a dot or an arrow somewhere. So, you know, you're drawing something and you want to point it to me. You're going to choose this arrow. Oh, it's my Mac. It's not nothing. And then you're okay. Here we have got trend lines. Okay. This line right here. Okay. This is where we're going to get all of our lines to do our drawings, okay? So say if you want to draw a trend line, if I'm telling you to follow price action, you're going to make sure that this is selected so that you can stay in drawing mode. Okay, you're going to click your trend line. And you can just draw trend lines. Euro USD has been buying a lot. But yeah, this is going to be your trend line, guys. Horizontal line, okay? You're going to use this a lot. You're going to use this a lot, okay? Because this is what I'm going to have you use to draw your support and resistance lines. You're going to use this a lot, okay? Same thing, horizontal line. Make sure you stay in drawing mode. And you can just drop them, okay? There could be times when I tell you to draw Fibonacci. That's right there, okay? All right, that would be your Fibonacci. We are not really going to use any of these. Okay, right here. We were going to go long, and we'll be studying this later, okay? Okay. This is how you can draw it, okay? If we were going to go short, you can drop that on there for your stop loss and your take profit, okay? Here are all the little symbols. You know, if you're wanting to highlight something to show me, you can drop little arrows. And because I'm staying in drawing mode, you know, we can do that. If you're wanting to show me something on a chart, and you're wanting to send a picture to me, there's all these little that you can select and send. Okay, that's what that's for. Sometimes we're going to have to be drawing rectangles. When we get to supply and demand zones, I'm going to be wanting you to draw rectangles. So that's where you're going to find that, okay? It's right here, your rectangles. I'm sorry I fumble so much with my Mac, guys. But yeah, you'll be drawing rectangles. It's getting a little blurry. Okay. Another thing, if maybe you're wanting to highlight something, is the ellipse, okay? And then you just kind of pull it. Oh, it's the Mac. not doing very well with this. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So you can just, if you're wanting to circle something, okay, you just, well, okay, and then move it out. We may be using that some. I think if you're wanting to text something right there, that's what that call out button is. Okay. So if you're, marking up something, you want to send a note, you want to make a note for yourself for later, you can use that. I think that's pretty much all we're going to use. So this is Trading View, guys. Trading View, okay? You can use the ruler, and it will tell you how many pips, okay? How many bars, okay? How many hours, okay? So if you wanted to know, let's just say, how long it took this move to go, okay, you would drag it up, and you'd be like, okay, it took 5 hours for this to move 84.9 pips, okay? You can zoom in, you can zoom out. And this is Trading View. It's really simple. Some of you may have to fidget with some stuff, to get it. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. Yeah, let me show y'all about this. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry, I'm trying to. Okay. This right here, this magnet, this is magnet mode, okay? And it's really, really neat because what it does is it snaps your drawings closest to price, okay? So like, it's really neat. Like, let's say magnet mode is on. So say we were drawing, support and resistance lines. It's gonna you can try to put it anywhere, but it's gonna drop it closest to price. Just gonna snap it up to where it's supposed to go, which I think is pretty cool. I get excited over little things though. Magnet mode. Magnet mode. Does anybody have any questions about Trading View before we move on? Does anybody have any questions about Trading View? Can't get the crosshair to go away. Magnet mode is right here. And what it does is as you're drawing things, it places it closest to price, where price really was at that time. See? See, I tried to drop it down here, but it put it right up there to where price was. So I tried to put it right here, and it snapped it up here to where price was. Magnet mode. Come on. Where else can I find the magnet mode? It's right here, honey. It's this magnet. Where is the Fibonacci again? Let me show you. First, let me get off of this stuff so I can remove these drawings. Okay, magnet mode is right here. Okay, it's the magnet. And you can pick weak or strong. Weak or strong. Okay. Where is the Fibonacci? The Fibonacci is up here. Fibonacci retracement. Oh, Trading View is so much fun, Michael. It really is. It's a lot better than trying to do your analyses on MT4. You can't get the crosshair to go away. Okay, well, let's see if I can fight with the crosshair a little bit. Where else can I find the magnet mode? I don't see it on my Trading View. I'll send you a picture in a bit. Okay. If you're trying to do this on a tablet, it's going to look a lot different than this. Are you trying to do it on a tablet? Okay. Let me see. On an iPad. Sending you something right now, honey. Anybody else have any questions? I'm fixing to see if I can fight with the crosshair. Okay. All right. Can't get the crosshair to go away. Magnet mode. Okay. Click on the ruler. Okay. All we're basically doing is just going through, like, you don't have to know how to do all of this, but when we do homework, and I always go over homework with you before we do it. Y'all get to watch me fumble. I need a iMac training. Okay, Cindy, let's see. Crosshair. Clicked on. Was it this that you clicked on? The cross line? Is that what you clicked on, Cindy? Top left. All right. This one? Is that what it's doing? It's just like doing all of this stuff? And you can't get it to go away? Is that what it's doing? Okay. Okay. All right. Let's try right click and remove drawings. Okay, then we can right click and remove indicators. Well, you know, I've never used the crosshair. This is going to be a learning curve. Go back to the box and click the arrow. That didn't work either. Oh, okay. You got it. Brian. Saved our day, Cindy. That's what you do. You come back and you click the arrow. So you put your crosshair on, and now you're sick of it. You come back up, you click the arrow, and it's gone. Now, guys, if you've got a bunch of stuff on your chart and you want to delete it, okay, for most normal people with normal computers, you simply right click, okay, and this comes up. You can reset your chart, okay. or you can remove drawings. Okay, if you have any indicators on there, you can remove them like that. Now, does anybody have any questions about TradingView before we move on? Dum, da, da, dum. All right, looks good. Okay, now give me just a second, guys, because I have never been able to get my MT4 on my Mac. So, about to do something. And if I have to, okay, figure it out. Now, Luann, I know we set you up. I know we set you up KOT4, and that's okay. Okay, it's okay. Just a second, guys. If we get some feedback while I get this situated, I apologize, okay? Just cover your ears. Okay. Test.
Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me?
Okay, change of plans. I know I've done that before, but what we will do tonight is we will get your Hugo's Way. I know, Luann, we set you up with KOT4, and that is fine, okay? I actually kind of prefer, I use that broker, okay? I use that broker. Okay. I want every one of you to go to www dot the letter P as in Paul, S as in Sam, broker, BROKER.life. Okay? www.psbroker.life. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you are going to sign up. Okay? You're just going to sign up. Okay? Y'all do that. It needs to be an uppercase, a number, and a special character. Make sure you remember that, okay? Click I agree to the current terms and conditions, and then sign up. If you have not received an email yet, please check your junk folder or resend the email now. Jennifer, can you please check your email and verify that email? And while she's doing that, you guys do the same. www.psbroker.life, L-I-F-E. I'll drop it in the chat, guys. Jennifer, can you please go confirm that email? You don't have to set one up then, Terrace. You don't have to. Jen, waiting on you to have all of you got your verification email yet? Okay. This is where we're gonna, this is for people that are okay. You're set, great. Jerome, not yet. Okay. Check your junk folder. Okay, resend. Great. I'm still waiting on Jennifer. Wouldn't that be embarrassing if she fell asleep during class? Give me 1 second. Like I thought, she fell asleep during class. She's verifying the email. Sorry. Okay, so y'all should definitely be set by now because I know none of y'all fell asleep on me, right? Right. So you're going to log in. Fiddle my sticks. Jennifer Lynn Goins at gmail.com. All right, so we're going to log into mine. I'm lost, did not get it. Okay, Miss Shirley. You go to, you didn't get the email or you're lost, period. Okay. Check your spam. Check your spam. Check your spam. Your junk mail. You can request another one. Okay, and then you're going to log in, guys. So on a new account, I think, let's see, my accounts, go to my accounts, go to create an account, go to my accounts, and then create an account. Does everybody see this? I was trying to do it with a brand new account. Does everybody see this when they log in? Okay. You're going to select Hugo's Way MT4 demo. under your leverage, 500. Don't know if we went over it last night, but leverage, I love leverage, is what your broker gives you to trade on an account. So if you pick 1 to 500, that means for every for every dollar you have in your account, your broker's going to let you trade it like it's 500, okay? Now, of course, Roger. And then select balance. I want you guys to pick something that's going to be normal, okay? I want you to pick something that's going to be normal. Are you going to start with a $500 trading account? Are you going to start with a $1,000 trading account? Are you going to start with a $2,000? I want it to be realistic because I want you to treat this, guys, like it is an actual live account. I'm going to start mine with $2,000. I suggest y'all start with, let's just start with no more than 1,000, okay? And you're going to create an account. Success, okay? Please check your junk and spam folders, okay? So let's go to our email. Now that we have created our demo account, that's the right email. Okay, you should have got an email like this. New demo meta trader account created. I want you guys to star this, okay? I want you to star this email. Miss Shirley, did you ever get the email? You may have to get it resent. Congratulations, you've just registered for a MetaTrader demo account, okay? Down here, you're going to see this demo account number. You're going to need this here in a minute, okay? You might want to, we're going to be using it on your phone. We're fixing to be putting this stuff on your phone. So let's, so it's easy for you. You can either copy and paste this to your notepad on your phone or pull up the email on your phone. You're going to need this trader password, okay? So you're going to need this and you're going to need that, okay? While you guys are writing that down, let me get my cord so I can hook my phone to the computer. All right. Oh, hey, okay. Everybody got that number wrote down? All right. All right, so now we're going to oh no. Okay. All right, guys. So There we are. I want you to go to your app store, okay? I want you to go to your app store and you're going to download MetaTrader 4, not MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4. So y'all go ahead and download that. It's going to look like this. All right. Not 5, but 4. Okay. I'm going to give y'all just a minute to do that. Does everyone have it downloaded to your phone? If you do, drop it. 3. MetaTrader 5 is just another platform. Okay. It's just another platform. A lot of times if you are connecting to like auto trader bots and stuff like that, they require you to use that platform. We use MetaTrader 4, okay? So you're going to open your MetaTrader, all right? And you're going to have to set it up. So go ahead and open it and set it up. I think you need to put like a name, an email address. I forget, it's been a long time since I've set mine up. Now it's going to be a little bit different on iPhones than it is going to be on Android, okay? Okay. Are y'all to the page where your name's up top? To the settings, bottom right hand corner, you might can just go to settings. Try that. Some of you Android people may need to help me out. So I know, Terrace, you've got it on your phone. So if there's something that is different on yours, please help me out and put it in the chat. You're going to hit the settings button. Hey, are you guys still with me? Are y'all there? I need some feedback. Okay. 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 All right. Do y'all have your MetaTrader? Okay, just making sure. So you're going to find on an iPhone, it's right here where you see it say new account. Okay. Android users, if it's different, put it in the chat. You're going to pull up a page that looks like this. And here you're going to log into an existing account. Okay. Right here, you're going to start typing Hugo's Way, and you'll see Demo 3 pop up. Okay. Demo 3 pop up. And your page is going to look like this. Okay. Now, where it says login, you're going to put in that account number you wrote down. And in your password, you're going to put your trader password. So let's see, we have got, okay, on Android, it will say manage account. Okay. On Android, it will say manage account. And then what? Add account, Terrace? Manage account and then add account. Okay. And then you're going to log into an existing account. And then Hugo's Way, you'll start typing where it says broker, Hugo's Way, select demo 3. And then the rest should still be the same, okay? 2102. I'm just putting in my account number. You put in yours. 927667. All right. And then you're going to put your trader password in. And then you're going to hit sign in. Invalid account. I typed something in wrong. Make sure save password is selected. And then sign in. And there you go, guys. Now you have got your demo account on your MT4 on your cell phone, okay? Now let's just go over some things, okay? It's going to be a little bit different on an Android as it is my iPhone, okay? Terrace, when they want to add currency pairs, where do they go? For Android, it's simple. You hit the plus sign up here. And here you've got, you know, your exotics. And you would simply just hit the plus sign beside the ones that you want, okay? You've got indices. And you just kind of hit the plus sign beside the one you want. Of course, we want US 30. Okay. On Android, it will say manage account, and then you touch the plus sign, okay? Forex crosses. Here is a lot of those cross pairs that we talked about last night. You know, if you want to add some of them. You've got your cryptos. All right. Let's add that one. Okay. So now all of these pairs that you have are on your quotes page. Okay. This is where you're going to find them, on your quotes page. Now, say you want to pull up a chart on Euro USD. Okay. You're simply going to touch EUR USD, and a chart's going to come up. And there you've got your chart, guys. You have got your chart, okay? If you want to add any indicators to it, that F up here is indicators, moving average, moving average. I have moving averages on here. But all you would simply do would be tap that main window. You can add whatever you like, okay? Mostly what you'll be putting on your phone is a moving average, okay? Now this down here, okay, is if you want something like a MACD at the bottom, that's where you're going to add it. Okay. I have the I think I have an oscillator on mine. Okay. This button right here is your crosshair. Okay. You can move it around. See that? Help you figure out where price. Yeah. And then that white number, you know, it's dragging down, it's showing you price at levels, okay? So this is your crosshair. You don't have to know what all this does right now, but when we start practicing, you're going to want to know, okay? And then over here, if you wanted to draw any objects, like a trend line or an arrow, now, if you were on this screen and you wanted to place a trade, okay, and you wanted to place a trade, and Shawnee, you should still be good if you're still in that Euro USD. hit trade, your screen's going to look like this, okay? Now, I'm going to explain this stuff to you. You don't have to know it all right now, okay? But look, okay, under the symbol, you can click where it says market execution. That's where if you want to put in pending orders, okay? But for right now, probably everything we're going to be doing is market execution. We'll talk about buy limits and sell limits and buy stops and sell stops later. But, you know, if you wanted to change it, you could. For right now, just about everything you guys want to do is market execution. This second line right here is so important, guys. So important. You want to triple and double check this, okay? Triple and double check this because this is your lot size, okay? This is your lot size. Especially while you're in demo, you want to always make sure it's 0.01. 0.01. Okay? 0.01. And then you can use these little toggle switches to the side to change it. But you always, always, always want to make sure that your lot size is correct. Okay? So say that we're going to put in a sale because Euro USD is selling like crazy. Okay? And that has been for hours after buying for days. You want to put in a stop loss. Okay? And just say we wanted to set, you know, a 20 pip stop loss. Okay. And then just say we wanted a 40 pip take profit, you know. I am in class. All right. And you hit sell, you're in a trade. Now, you're in a trade and you want to know what's going on with that trade, guys. You come down here to trade, that button, and it's going to tell you everything about that trade, okay? You know, like I said, all trades always start out a little bit in the negative, and that's okay. That's your spread. This is what you're paying your broker to do this trade, okay? Let me go back and do something. Okay. All right. I did a $30 trade just to show you guys, okay? All right. There's certain things that you can do while a trade is going, okay? Say, oh my God, I didn't want to do that. I want to get out. I want to stop this trade. You just simply touch it. And look, guys, you can close the trade. You can modify the trade, meaning you can change your stop loss or your take profit, okay? You can, from this page right here, you can go back to the chart and look and see what's going on. You can look and see what's going on. Now, just say, oh crap, I didn't want to do a 3 standard, a $30 freaking pip trade. You can go in, you can modify. It's not letting me do it on here. It lets you do it on Android. Oh, well, maybe it's because it's on Androids it lets you modify your lot size. Because it doesn't let you do it on, but I don't ever do that. So modify. Okay. So it doesn't let you do that. Okay. This is going to go into profit. Now I want you guys to notice when you do standards, when you do standard lot sizes, the price is like boom. Okay. It costs more to drop standards. So you better make sure you know what you're doing. Okay. Told y'all. All right. History. This is the page that's going to be like your past trades. Okay. You can check your history for the day, the week, the month. This is a brand new demo account, so I haven't, had any trades yet. Okay. And over here, settings. Really, the only thing that you're going to need is if you have to toggle back and forth between accounts. So you can have as many accounts, as many trading accounts as you want. Okay. So I know this was a lot of information. And what we will do tomorrow night is I will come on my laptop and we will set all we'll do our yeah. Yeah, I can do that. And so once again, tomorrow night, come to class on your cell phone. We're going to be setting up our laptops, okay? All right, so I'm about to upload this recording, and I will make sure all of y'all get it. Anybody having questions for me? All right, guys, we're getting closer and closer. All of these fundamentals and setting up and all this, good stuff is just setting up for the good stuff. We haven't even really started learning anything yet. So probably today's Wednesday. Tomorrow we will do setting up our computers. It might be a short class, might not. Went a little over tonight and I apologize. So I'm going to let you go. I love you guys. If you have any questions, hit me up. Okay. Oh, Yashira, honey, did you need? Oh, I love y'all too. Y'all have a good night. Okay. You're welcome, darling. You're welcome. Yes, yes. A lot of you already know this, but I appreciate you sticking around for the family that didn't. Okay. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. All right. I will see y'all in the morning. Okay. I will see y'all in the morning when we live trade. All right. I love y'all.